see what you can do.
Paul and Mariah were fighting.
I'm going for the happy face.
By the way, it's me, my friend Jimmy again, back with another video. We're going to shoot these guys today.
We're going to shoot.
I got my good.
Are you done cleaning?
Alright, so let's do it.
4:30. Right, but I'm saying
I can't shoot.
you can't go.
Oh, right in the face.
Is she saying that's a
Oh, Vivian.
Did you?
Yes.
That's her.
No, she was saying it's the
Sunblock.
phone.
I think she was looking at herself and about Paul.
Shoot.
Harry.
I ran out.
No, I think she's saying.
So we shot a lot of good people. Now, Jimmy,
I'm gonna start using this Nerf gun that will shoot these little tiny yellow bones.
alright, let's see what you got.
No.
I got a load.
By the way, it's Ortiz night. You should be watching this. Really good game. We're already up 0-2, and we do not like the Blue Rays. If you're watching this and you don't like the Blue Rays, or if you do, if you don't like the Blue Rays, you comment on this. Blue Jays, I'm not baseball. But if you like Boston, drop a like and say what you want us to do next, and we will do it.
Okay, I'm ready.
He's ready. Alright, ready? Go!
I go away without Eric. Who knows what's going on in Eric?
Oh, I thought the gun was just... Alright, now go!